This is a collection that I just ordered online from Target, and it's called the Sinful Colors Metallics. And this collection is 5 long-lasting Sinful colors. They call it a gel tech color. It's not a gel polish. And then it also comes with the second step, which is a chip-resistant top coat. These polishes are supposed to last longer, and they are supposed to have a gel-like finish and be more chip resistant, I guess, than their other polishes. I don't know. But anyways, they are gorgeous. So let's take a look at these. I'm going to swatch them for you. Let's get started. With this collection, you don't need a base coat. It is a 2-step. However, I don't like to not put base coat on my nails, especially when I'm using dark colors. So I will have base coat on under all of these colors. This one is Spice, and it is a beautiful sparkly rose gold. I just kind of wanted to show you how sparkly these polishes are. Here is the first coat. This is a sparkly, it's rose gold. Wow, this is super sparkly. Oh my gosh. Very gorgeous. Here is the second coat. Oh, that looks perfect. Okay, and here is the top coat, which is step 2. One thing to be careful of when you're wearing nail polishes that don't require a base coat is sometimes odd stuff happens when you try to put it on a base coat, and it did not happen in this case. So that is a plus. And this top coat looks pretty nice. This one is called Diamond in the Raw, and it is a gorgeous, sparkly, dark silver. I'm excited to see this one. This one kind of looks like a dark silver. And that looks pretty good in one coat. I'm going to throw on a second one though. And here is the second coat. And here's what it looks like with top coat. This one is called Wine Knot, and it is a beautiful kind of berry colored or wine colored. And this one is a deep, gorgeous berry color. I don't really think that you need 2 coats on this one. It covers up really well. This is one coat with top coat. This one is called Magic Dragon, and it is a sparkly green. It leans a little bit to the blue side, but it is still perfect for Christmas or St. Patrick's Day. Okay, this one should be good in one coat as well. This is a gorgeous green color. Here it is with top coat. This one is called Galaxy, and it is a deep dark blue, very sparkly. And it looks like this one will only need one coat as well. That is a very dark, sparkly blue. And here it is with top coat. This polish collection is available on the Target website for $17.99. I do believe these are the colors that are in all of the Walmart stores, because I did see it at the Walmart store closest to me, except for they were out of some of the colors, and I know that Walmart store doesn't get anything except for like the general Sinful Colors nail polish. So you can also pick them up there. I hope you liked the video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Comment below whether you like the video, whether you like these polishes, if this is something that you're gonna go out and get. Anything you want to comment below, comment below. I love reading comments. I love writing back to you guys. And let's see, I guess that is all. Thank you so much for watching my video. And bye for now.